What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to set custom wallpaper on your T900 Ultra Smartwatch. So if you want to be able to use your own photo as wallpaper, or you want to be able to set the wallpaper from a picture or photo on the gallery of your phone, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. First things first, you actually have to make sure you turn on Bluetooth and turn on the service location of your phone. So make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then also make sure you turn on the service location or location of your phone. Now you want to go ahead and connect your T900 Ultra Smartwatch to your phone using the smartwatch app. So you want to go ahead and open up the HiWatch Pro smartwatch app, which is basically the app that T900 Ultra Smartwatch uses. If you're not sure whether your T900 Ultra Smartwatch uses the HiWatch Pro smartwatch app, you can actually just go ahead and scan the QR code on the smartwatch using the camera app on your phone. Open it up on the browser. You should be able to find out the app that your own T900 Ultra Smartwatch uses. As you can see, mine is actually the HiWatch Pro smartwatch app. If your own T900 Ultra Smartwatch is using a different smartwatch app, just go ahead and download the app. It is also going to work out for you. I can go ahead and get it from the Google Play Store directly from here. Once you get the app, you want to go ahead and connect it with your T900 Ultra Smartwatch. The setup process for most of these smartwatches are quite simple. You just have to give the app all of the permission it requires. Some will actually require you to also sign into the app. Now once you're done, you want to click on the Settings tab or Settings tab or Devices tab at the bottom over here, and then you just want to go ahead and search for your T900 Ultra Smartwatch so that you can actually connect to it. You should click on the search button or just click on Bind Devices to experience more feature, and then click on Allow, and now it will start to search for your T900 Ultra Smartwatch. You want to give it some few seconds. Mine is literally over here. I'll go ahead and select it, and now it is trying to connect. And once both devices are connected, you should be able to see connected from over here. Now both devices are connected, and you also want to make sure you pair both devices via Bluetooth. So come over to the Bluetooth of your phone, and then also make sure you search for the name of your T900 Ultra Smartwatch and connect to it as well. Once both devices are connected via Bluetooth and via the smartwatch app, you want to go over to the smartwatch app, click on Got It, and then at this point you just want to go ahead and click on the dial settings over here. And once all the watch dial loads, you basically just want to scroll down until you get to the custom dial at the bottom over here. Go ahead and click on the first option. Over here you just want to click on the select button, give it permission to access your phone's gallery, and then I will just go ahead and select my picture that I want to use as the wallpaper. I will select this one. You can also crop it whichever way you want to crop it, and then just go ahead and click on the check button over here, click on Install, then click on Install again, click on Got It. And once this installation is completed, the wallpaper on your T900 Ultra Smartwatch will also be changed as well. And once the installation is completed, your T900 Ultra Smartwatch will restart itself and come with the wallpaper you have just changed on your phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.